Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope you're doing good today. If you're new here, please remember to hit subscribe down below. And if you want to receive notifications about when I upload, click the little bell and make sure it says all. Today I have another exciting gel polish set sent to me by Melody Susie. I have a new discount code, and if you click the link down below this video, it'll automatically apply any discounts that they've set for my viewers. I appreciate that so much, because we all love to save some money. This is one of their 8-in-1 gel polish kits. They're 5 milliliter bottles. And this one, I believe it's called Starry Night. I will definitely put it on the screen and list it below. And it comes in this cute little box. It has a prep guide, application guide, troubleshooting, warranty, customer service information. Very good information on here. The only thing I would include is to wash your hands with alcohol before you begin everything, because in the prep it starts with pushing back cuticles. You know me, I like to spray my hands down with alcohol before I even touch my nail products. But that's just me, right? In this set are 8 gel polish colors. These are glitters with, I think they're clear bases on them. As you see, I put some on this hand, but I did a little trick because I wanted a little bit more oomph and less see-through, which you'll see. I put just a very light coat of some of the other colors on my left hand, and I'll get into that in a minute. But in this box we have G307, G308, G573, G140, G041, G673, which is here, G641, which is here, G147 and G468, and it's +1 because there's a top coat in here. And this one is a matte top coat, which for me, glitters and top matte just don't go together that much, but some people get some surprisingly awesome results with it. So we may try that, and then if I don't like it, I'll just put glossy over it. So these are the 3 that I'm wearing on my right hand. My left hand doesn't have them, so you can see the dramatic difference in it. I mean, look how thin of a coat I have polish. This color is actually from one of the Rebel Hearts collection. I don't believe they sell this anymore. This is the blue one that comes with it. And this is one very, very light coat of the silver that comes in it. And this is what 2 coats looks like. And I think I had forgotten to top coat these. So they would be they would be stunningly shiny if I top coated them. I'm going to put those 3 on my left hand. So this is G673 that I have on these 2 fingers. What I did was just put a very light coat of, I barely, you can see that's not even a good 1 coat. I barely touched it with gel polish. But I could have just gotten by with this one. I started with the blue and I didn't quite think the blue covered enough for me. So this is 1 coat. I will put 2 coats, cure them all in between. Maybe I just didn't have my bottles stirred. I don't know. Maybe I didn't need to do that. See, this color I would have wanted to put a little bit more underneath it just for this purpose. And with gels with glitters in them, you can just relocate the dots just like you would do with regular nail polish. The bigger chunks wherever you want them. I will be putting all these into my lamp that's listed down below, curing for 30 seconds, applying a 2nd coat and cure for 30 seconds. That's how I do every gel polish so far. This is the one I started with, and on my pinky I thought it was just a little too see-through, but maybe I haven't been practicing that much. And I have my little birdies are like, one of them's laying eggs, so she's having a hard time. She's probably due tomorrow or the next day. So see, it was a little thin, so I was kind of like, well, I already have their blue, let me put it on, kind of thing. So I'm gonna put these in the lamp, 30 seconds. The lamp won't get dirty. So this is the, I assume it's purple. I haven't looked at any of these other colors. G573. Another tip with gel is to give it a little stir. Ooh, it's like a pink purple. Ooh. doughy. I didn't base coat these nail tips because, well, I need to save my product. So I'm going to have to, I didn't buff them, I didn't prep them. It would stick a little bit better if I prepped them. That's why I'm going backwards with it. And I just want to get a nice even coat for my first coat. As much as those little glitters in there as I want. And you can just tap, tap, tap it around. And I'm not one that minds seeing my nail bed through. But some people do. That is gorgeous. G308. These were just shipped to me. Oh, my green lovers out there, look at that. So it seems like I need to lay a little down because these are long nails. I don't know why I get such long nails, but I like the long nails. Just get enough product on there. I'm so out of practice. Go. You like float it on just real evenly. You don't want your brush touching the nail. And I'm being distracted so much by my little birdies right now. And being out of practice with this. Oh, look at that blue. I just swipe. And when you have larger chunks in a gel, you want to make sure that they are flat. So just take a little gander at your nail and make sure that you didn't leave any poking up or something. I'm always so picky with my first coat. I don't know why I do that. The second coat usually takes care of everything. G140. Glorious gold with all this hollow in it. Oh. It's just shining like rainbows. And this is G147. Ooh. It's like a rosy gold, I think. Oh yeah. That's beautiful. Mind you, I have no tacky layer to help the gel level out onto it. So I was stingy with my base coat today. That's gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna give these all a 30-second cure, and lamps will vary. The lamp that I show in the picture is the lamp that I'm using, and it's listed down below. And we'll just go ahead and do a second coat of these real quick. Oops. It would help to have some on my brush. Yeah, I would have definitely wanted to have just a little bit of color underneath that one. This one I probably didn't need to do it. See, no. Oh, I wish I wouldn't have put no red on underneath. I only put one very, very light coat. I've got a blue one from my last one in there. It might have touched in the lamp. Yeah, no. Just pull it out. Now I gotta get it off of my finger with some alcohol. G041. Oh. Oh, that's gorgeous. And you'll want to top coat these if you're gonna keep them on your bottles so they don't get sticky. Or you could wipe them with alcohol, but they'll last longer if they're top coated. So I'm gonna get these back into the lamp. If you fuss a little bit more with your first coat, your second coat goes on so much easier. Usually. I mean, if I say that, then it's not gonna do it anymore, you know. The gel has something to stick to, especially since I didn't use the base coat like I'm supposed to use. I'm solo on top coats too. I've got to get me some more top coat in. Oh, I don't see any nail underneath that one. Oh, except for maybe where I missed. This one I missed a little bit. It's like reflected in my eyes so much that I'm like, oh, because I am a glitter lover. It's gold. Oh, the gold I probably would, if I wanted just a full glitter nail, I would put perhaps, they have a gold in that other collection that I showed you. Probably put that underneath it, but this would make a gorgeous like faded tip, a topper to another one. Any other colors that match or mismatch? Because oh, sometimes you mismatch colors and they look gorgeous. Oh, these. Oh, I'm just so stunned. Oh, I'm so stunned. They're so gorgeous. I'm gonna give all these a top coat, but I want to put some on my hand first. Finish out my manicure a little bit. Oh. So I took one of their colors. That is this. If you put two good, decent coats on, and I just barely swiped it on there, just to give me some background. Which now I know I didn't need to do it. But it does make it a little easier when you're on camera, trying to film it. You don't always know if you're in frame. People can see what you're doing. You've got birdies trying to still get along behind each other. And you can see that these colors aren't identical. It's just something in the background. I mean, the reds really aren't. It's so awkward when I'm out of practice doing this. When you're on camera and you're trying to talk, and then a birdie lands on you. It's just like, They're crabby because they're molting, and my girl's laying eggs. Her first time in like 2 years, at least. She hadn't laid up. She missed 2 seasons when I lost my boy. He was sick like the season before. So she's a born little mama. She's determined to lay her little eggs. We don't hatch them though. I would have a house full of birds by now if I hatched them. Oh, I'm gonna try to risk it and do my thumb at the same time. I got a little bit on my skin, but when I do my cuticle oil, that's when I usually get it off. As long as it's not attached to your nail and your skin at the same time, you can just kind of scruff it off of there. Okay, I'm gonna get this all cured and top coated and cleaned up. I'll take some pictures of all these nails at the end, some nice reveal shots hopefully. And thank you, Melody Susie. Thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate everything everyone does for me. I really do. Every minute you watch my videos just is amazing. Every comment that you leave me is wonderful. Well, you know, except for those rude people, but you know, you have to deal with that when you're putting yourself out there like this. I thank everyone. And if you want to purchase this set, I believe it is called the Starry Night set, but I will give you the correct term on the screen, and down below will be a direct link. It'll take you right to it, and it'll apply my discount code that they've given me to share with you. And if it ever changes, that link will change right along with it, and you don't have to worry about it. Oh, that's just so cool. Since I missed 4th of July nails this year. Whee! This one's got to be top coated still, and these got to be cured. Well, everyone, thank you for being here with me. Till next time, you be you, and I'll be me. Bye-bye.